Hi guys, welcome to Ambut 7. Our channel helps with tips and tricks for PPT and Excel, which are easy and time-saving. In this tutorial, I'm going to show an easy way to create data entry form in Excel, and these forms make it so much easier to enter data in Excel. You can see here on the screen, I have pretty simple data in a spreadsheet. This is an employee list with names, hire date, employee number, and department. You can click on the Forms option in the ribbon bar. You have an employee list which pops up with names, date of joining, employee number, department. You have two options, Find Prev and Find Next. Find Next helps you view immediate next row with data in it. Find Prev helps you view the previous data in the form. You have a Close option to close the window. Let us see some new data. Let us create a new data entry form. Let's go to a new data set and enter name, date of joining, employee number, department. Press Ctrl+T to create a table. Select the option, click OK. You see a formatted option. Click on File, go to Options. You'd see Excel options opening up. Click on Quick Access Toolbar. Go to Popular Demands, select All Commands. On the right side, you'd see an option of Form. Scroll down and type Form. Add option, click on Add. You see Form enabled, click on OK. Click on the forms from the ribbon bar to get the new data set. Enter the details. Option New helps you create a new line item with desired attributes. Click on New and add data you like. We've already added one row. You can add multiple rows of data. You see we have a data ready. Now you find the Find Prev option and Find Next option. Find Prev, like we discussed, helps you to view the previous data in the form, and Find Next helps you view the immediate next row with data in it. We have a Delete option, which helps you delete or clear the form. You see an option to restore the deleted data. You could click on Restore, which helps you get the deleted data back in the form. Click on Criteria. Criteria helps you view multiple line items with the same attribute. In case you have multiple lines which has repeated attributes, criteria can help you find that. Like we already discussed about Find Prev and Find Next. You could click on the Close option. Please give a thumbs up if you liked the video and found it helpful. Your suggestions would help us bring more useful content. So please drop your topic suggestions in the comment section below and we will try to bring it in our next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.